Is your partner constantly questioning you, getting defensive about your friendships, or needing constant reassurance? Let's talk about what to do when you are the one struggling with jealousy and how to protect your peace without losing the relationship or yourself. I'm Andrea Brown, a relationship coach for ambitious women who want real, emotionally available love without shrinking, chasing, or settling. And in every episode, I give you actionable steps to help you break old patterns and attract commitment that feels good. Okay. If that sounds like you, hit subscribe and stay until the end because today's final step is the most important one. Let's start with this. A jealous partner doesn't automatically mean a toxic relationship, but it can become toxic if it's not handled properly. Most jealousy stems from fear of abandonment, fear of not being good enough, fear of losing control. And if your partner hasn't done the inner work to feel secure within themselves, that fear gets projected onto you. According to relationship therapist Dr. Lynetta Willis, jealousy is less about what the other person is doing and more about what we fear we might lose. What not to do? Here's what many women do that actually makes things worse: over explaining, changing your behavior to avoid their reactions, reassuring them constantly just to keep the peace. And I get it, you want the relationship to work, but slowly losing your freedom, your friendships, or your peace just to make someone else feel safe is not love. It's self abandonment. Here's what to do instead: set a loving but clear boundary. You might say something like, I know you're feeling uneasy, but I need to be trusted. I'm not doing anything wrong. And I want to build this relationship from a place of honesty, not fear. If your partner is emotionally mature, they'll want to grow. Suggest they explore where their jealousy is coming from, whether through journaling, coaching, or therapy. Don't collapse to soothe. This is where you need to self regulate too, okay? Practice emotional grounding so you can stay centered in hard conversations. I teach this inside Marriage Magnetism and in the Transform Your Love Life guide. Ask yourself, is this jealousy new, maybe triggered, or from past trauma? Or is this a repeating pattern where they constantly try to control you or guilt you? If it's the second, we may be crossing into emotional manipulation territory. And if you're unsure, this is exactly what my Love Blocks assessment helps you uncover. You can also take my commitment magnet quiz to see if you're aligning with partners who are emotionally ready for love. Here's your action plan: what to do this week. Number one, journal prompt. What part of me feels responsive for someone else's insecurity? Script practice. Write out one boundary setting phrase you can keep in your back pocket. Practice saying it calmly and confidently. Number three, take the assessment. If this topic hit home, take the Love Blocks assessment, okay? It'll help you get clarity on your own patterns and what's still attracting emotional unavailability. Okay. Have you ever had a partner struggle with jealousy? How did you handle it? Drop it in the comments or share anonymously in our Marriage Magnetism Facebook group, or you could, email me, let me know what's going on. Hello at thedreabrown.com. Also, if you've ever stayed in a relationship after being cheated on, or if you're trying to rebuild trust after infidelity, stay close. In an upcoming episode, I'm breaking down how to heal the kind of jealousy that shows up after betrayal, how to rebuild trust without losing yourself, and what no one tells you about staying after damage is done. So make sure you're subscribed. You won't want to miss that one. Okay. If you're ready to go deeper, apply for my 90-day private coaching program, Marriage Magnetism. This is where we build your relationship blueprint, heal your nervous system, and create emotional safety without losing your power. Spots are limited and is application only. You can also grab the Transform Your Love Life guide, which follows along with my YouTube series. So it'll all be inside the Transform collection, which is new, packed with tools, prompts, and practices to shift your love life now. And yes, monthly membership Marriage Material Academy is coming soon, so stay close for more details. Thanks for being here today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this episode gave you clarity or peace of mind. And if you want to explore how jealousy shows up in you and how to transform it into inner safety, watch my episode on 5 powerful tools to rebuild emotional safety in relationships. And I'll link it right here. Okay, for you to watch next. You've got this, and you're not alone. See you next week.